Just going to take a look at how to make sure that your site is either launched or not launched. So the first thing we'll do is we'll go to the dashboard. And in here, they've recently changed how all this works, so I'm just giving you a new updated one. So in here, we'll go to settings. Okay, and then scroll down. Now, if you scroll down here, there's an option in here, wordpress.com site settings and manage site visibility. So click on that. Okay, so in here, if it says launch site, it means your site hasn't been launched and it's completely private at the moment. So that's where this setting is. So if when you came in, it didn't give you that option to launch, that means you probably at some stage already launched it. And don't worry, we can easily fix that. So all you do is you change your setting from public over to coming soon. Okay, and that's all you need to do.